This point I'm looking at the celery because I'm about to wash the veggies, and I'm not really liking the way it looks, so you're gonna see me put it away instead of making the pan stuffing. I opted for toast with rosemary butter instead, so I just put the celery away. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, like later on in the video you'll see me show you why I chose to not use the celery. Well, that is it, you guys. This meal was so delicious, and honestly, I'm not a fan of green beans, but the way they were cooked and how I seasoned them, I really enjoyed it. I encourage you guys to, maybe try 1 or 2 boxes with HelloFresh. I know it's not for everyone, it may not be in your budget, but even the ingredients are pretty accessible in stores, so even if you want to replicate the recipe, you still can do that. But yeah, this was so delicious, you guys. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.